Hi, my name is Matt, and I'm standing in the Skillman Dining Hall, right where the salad bar used to be. As you can see, this whole place has been gutted. Here to tell us more about those changes is Executive Chef Gustavo. So what are you most excited for with these changes?
Thank you, Matt. I'm so excited. I feel like having a new baby. You know, this is going to be an awesome place, a new community space for our students, fully renovated, new stuff, new stations, new recipes, new food that we're going to be developing. It's about time to have this renovation. We've been waiting for years, and finally the time comes this summer to do this renovation.
So what is the space going to look like when it's complete?
Basically, we're going to use now the whole space in the dining room. Before it used to be concentrated in one space, all of the options and all of the stations. Now we're going to be using each corner of this space to create a beautiful ambience for our students.
So you mentioned new recipes. Can you give us a sneak peek at what's to come?
That's a secret, but I'm going to tell you a couple of ones. We're going to have our cauliflower buffalo salad. So our famous chicken buffalo salad is going to take another level in the plant-based option that we're going to be creating. And after that, we're going to have a variety of recipes that are going to be able to enjoy our students. They're going to be fresh made by scratch in our location.
Awesome. That sounds amazing. As you can see, it's a really exciting time here at Rollins, especially here in the Skillman Dining Hall. Check back later this summer for more updates. My name is Matt, and I'll see you guys later.